Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun unboxing for you guys. I have the Jujube Chromatics collection here in this big old box, and I didn't even lift it up to put it on my lap yet because it is heavy and it's big. I think it's like 13 pounds, so I've got a lot of stuff in here to share with you guys. I'm especially excited to open this box because there is a color in here that I have been dying for from Jujube for like years, and that is the blush color, but they actually have blush, olive, and Tibetan Red. So, I know my mom is super excited about the Tibetan Red. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this big old box. Whew, you know what? I think I'm gonna put it back down and open it that way because it's just too big for my chair, but I wanted to be comfy today, as you can see. So one of the things I wanted to say about this collection is that a pink lady named Jerizal, she actually sent in the suggestion to Jujube, I want to say like 7 months ago, maybe a little bit more or less, but she put in a suggestion on the Pink Lady chat page for some color schemes she thought would be awesome. And one of those was the blush color, and I think a couple of the other ones as well. So this is really a collection that was inspired by one of our fellow Pink Ladies. So I think that is just awesome. I love that so much, and I just remember when she posted that, and I thought, oh, I hope that becomes real because they were just so pretty. All right, here we go. I ended up putting this back on my lap because it was just an awkward position to at least open it, but here we go. Ooh, did I get it? There we go. Oh, this is a big box though. Oh, this blush is so pretty. It's like a rosy, or like a dusty rose. Ooh, I really like that. Some of this stuff out of here. Ooh, this Tibetan Red is like really pretty. It's almost like a jewel tone red, like a ruby, or maybe even like a wine red. I really like it. It's a little bit more purple toned than I was expecting. So I really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling these out and share these with you real quick. I do have to go get my kids from school in a little bit, but I wanted to share this video with you as soon as I possibly could, so let's do it. So the first thing I want to go through, of course, is my favorite color from the collection, which is the blush, but I don't want to pull this one out, but this is the Be Cool. It is really pretty. I really want to touch the BFF that I got, or the midi, but I think the BFF, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that out first, because this material is a bit different. And it's just, I'm really curious about it. It's really pretty though. Like, I want to touch it. It's got a texture to it, unlike a lot of the other Jujube bags. So, oh, that is so different. So it feels like a woven canvasy type of material, but nothing like the canvas that they use on the All That tote or the other bags that they make out of the canvas fabric. It's like a different feel, but I like it. It feels durable, and I was kind of worried that it wasn't gonna feel durable or that it was gonna feel too slouchy for me, but I really like it. It feels a little different than the olive rose that I had originally, but I love this. It is so pretty, and I think that this has the rose gold hardware on it because it seems lighter, warmer gold than the other hardware that I was just looking at the Queen of the Nile print. It's really pretty. I haven't even seen what the inside of the lining looks like yet. It's pink! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so happy that it's pink. Oh, okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys first because I was just like totally oogling it by myself over here. Isn't that super pretty? Oh, I just love this color. And the material is just, it's so cool. So I'm gonna pull some stuff out so you guys can see the lining on this one. I am planning to do a collaboration with Jennifer over at Perpetual Mommy. So if you guys don't already follow her, definitely go give her a follow. But she and I are gonna do a collaboration on this particular bag. Isn't that lining so pretty? Oh, I just love it. Definitely like a dusty rose type of color. I really, really like it. Okay, so that is the blush BFF. I cannot wait to pack it up and take it around. You guys all know I'm a boy mom, but I'm very girly, like very girly. So I will I will pack up this pink bag and wear it for my son. I don't even care because it's just so pretty, and it's definitely something that I'm wearing for me. So, oh, it's so pretty. So that is the BFF. Now let's take a look at the other bags because I think, oh, you know what? Let's do the red next. Oh, this is so pretty. I really like this one, but this one's actually for my mom. Because she really, really wanted her own BFF, but when she saw this red color come out, she was all about it. This is so pretty. I think she's gonna love it. I love it. Do I want to give it to her? Do I want to keep it? No, I'm just kidding. What's the lining like on this one? Oh, I'm pretty sure it's a different color than the pink, but it's more of, is it? Like a deeper dusty rose to almost a mauve color. That lining is really pretty. I almost like half expected it to be red on the inside because the other one had the pink lining, but that's really pretty. So that is the Tibetan Red BFF. And I believe most of these bags are still available on the website. So if you guys want to shop jujube with me, I would love that. And I'll leave my link down below for you guys. And you can shop almost all the bags that are in this video, I believe. So this is really pretty though. I can't wait to show this to her. Well, I love those. Okay, so let's go through the olive next. I didn't get any like super big bags for olive because I already have an olive rose Be Sporty, so I kind of count that in the same category. The color is really pretty. This does remind me so much of olive rose that I don't think it's much different, but I didn't bring it down because I was in too much of a hurry and I forgot, but I would have, so. Ooh, I like that lining for this color. Okay, so this is the new olive. It is really pretty. And then the lining on this one is actually more of like a champagne color. Isn't that pretty, you guys? It really complements this bag. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. This is making me want to pack up the midi again. Very cute. Very cute. Love it. These colors are great. I really hope that they come out with more though, like aqua. That would be so awesome. You guys know I'd be all over the aqua bags. Oh, I hope they do that. That would be so awesome. All right, so I want to open the set for my blush BFF. This material is so different. Like, I really like it, but it feels so different than what I'm used to. I think I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in real close for you guys. Can you see the different type of material that they used? It's very textured. Definitely more squishy and fabric-y feeling than the regular jujube fabric. But of course, like all jujube bags, these are machine washable, so you don't have to worry about them getting dirty. I had a few people ask me, they're like, well, what do you think about me getting a blush bag? Like, I'm worried about the dirt. I'm like, I never worry about the dirt. Because jujube bags wash up so nicely. I love that. These are so cute. And then of course comes with the long strap and a short strap. So you can wear these bags crossbody or you can pack your diaper bags with them. So I love these. There's also one smaller piece in there. So pretty, I love it. I can't wait to pack these. Let's do this next. This is the Tibetan Red BFF. There you go. I'm gonna pull each thing out and show you guys real quick what they look like, but I'm not gonna go over too much of it because I am in a hurry. And also because I know that there's been a few other unboxings already and you've probably gotten the details over there, but I did want to share with you guys what I had because I had quite a few people interested in this video. So here we go. One of my new favorite bags from Jujube is the Be Cool. Oh, it's just so cute. I love it. And that's the blush, you guys. So pretty. I loved packing that. My last BFF video, I loved packing that in there because it just fits perfect. Here is the midi in blush. This is so pretty. This is the midi in blush. I'll show you guys it next to the olive one. So I want to know, which is your favorite color out of all the ones that I'm sharing with you guys, because I mean, they're all really pretty, but I think my top faves are definitely the blush and the Tibetan Red. And the Tibetan Red is, I like a lot more in person than I did in the photos. So I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do. All right, I have some mini bags. These are so cute. And I really, really wanted a mini BFF in blush, but they were apparently very hard to come by because they were so cute. So here's a Be Quick in the blush. I'm not gonna take this one out yet because it basically is just a larger version of the large set piece that I already showed you. But I did want to show it to you guys. So, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and open all these up. All right, here we go. So this is the mini BFF in olive, but this is just so cute. Oh, isn't that adorable, you guys? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, okay, so that is the mini BFF, and I have a mini Be Right Back. These are just the most adorable little bags, you guys. If you have a child that you want to wear this to hold their own little stuff, it's just perfect for that. If you want to use it for yourself to hold your wallet and things, if you happen to get a day out by yourself, I know those are rare, but if you do happen to get a day out by yourself, then these little bags make great purses for yourself. Aren't those cute? So those are the olive ones. And I also have the Tibetan Red in both styles. Yep, I do. Let me go ahead and pull those both out and I will show you them side by side. Something I would really like to do is an on-the-body comparison video for the mini BFF and the mini Be Right Back, because I love to do those types of comparisons on similar style bags. But I thought that might be fun. Isn't this cute? Oh, this color is so pretty. All right, and my last, I also have an olive bee set. So I'm just showing you guys that up close real quick before I move on to my blush mini Be Right Back, which I am very thankful that I was able to get one of these, because I am totally gonna wear this the next time I go out by myself. I am totally bringing this. Cute. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the strap for this one. Oh, I just love the blush strap on it. It's so pretty. Ah, this color. Oh, I love it. Isn't that pretty, you guys? And then I have the strap here. So this is the strap that comes with the mini Be Right Back. And I think it's the same one that comes with the mini BFF as well. So hopefully you guys can see that without focusing on my face. So it's a very skinny seatbelt strap. I think it's about 1 inch. So yeah. So that is my little haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun unboxing all this stuff. And like I said, I really hope that they come out with some more colors because these are just so pretty. I love these. Don't forget to keep an eye out for a collab video I am doing with Perpetual Mommy. We're gonna be packing up the Jujube Blush BFF, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching.